InVision FM is a GIS-based platform that supports users across the complete facility lifecycle. This web-based application brings all your facility assets into focus, scaling from a global portfolio down to a single asset in a single room. The intuitive user interface has a number of common controls for turning on and off layers, adjusting transparency, or drilling down through a facility hierarchy. Starting at a global view, users can see the locations of all their facility sites or campuses. With one click, they can zoom to that particular campus, or you can choose to search across all entities throughout your entire portfolio. Here we'll search for building Q, and we can see all the matching records that relate to Q. When we select Q, the building's displayed, the map zooms, and we can select the floor we're interested from the drop-down. When we select the floor, all the entities for that floor turn on. Being GIS-based, we can interact with these layers of data, clicking on interior spaces, identifying interior photos, or in querying assets. If you have permissions, you can select any of these entities and choose to edit the attributes for it. You can quickly interact with those attribute fields, creating updates, and saving them from the simple interface. InVision FM lets you create custom renderers to help understand your complex data. Here we're looking at interior spaces represented by the type of space, the security access, or the current organization occupying the space. These view bys can be configured for any variables you're interested in. InVision FM scales well beyond the single floor view and lets you look at multiple floors across a given campus. Here we'll use the level control to turn on all floor 3s across a given campus. Another way to interact with your facilities is through the tree control. This can be configured to show a geographic or organizational hierarchy, letting you drill through campuses, into buildings, into individual floors, looking for assets, personnel, or other items of interest. You can also instantly access reporting from whatever level of the hierarchy you happen to be interested in. When it comes to space management, InVision FM has support for move management for employees. Here we'll search for a given employee across our portfolio. When we locate the employee, we can see some basic information. We can also then choose to assign to a new space, letting us search for a space we know or select one from the map. When we complete our move, we can now see that that employee is associated with the new space. To help you answer complex questions about your facility assets, InVision FM has a set of query and select tools. You can easily select different types of assets by drawing on the map, or you can choose to create a complex query. This lets you select the types of assets you're interested in, and then create conditional statements using their attributes. Here we can see the results of that query, and we can choose to identify them on the map, or instantly create reports about them. On the asset management side, InVision FM gives you the tools to create, update, and manage your assets inside the building. Here we've zoomed into a particular building that has a number of fire safety assets. For each of these assets, we can choose to edit its attributes, move its location, or even create a new asset. These configurable asset templates let you create different kinds of assets inside buildings. They can also be configured to include any attributes you're interested in tracking or managing. IVFM has full support for true layout printing. This can be done at any scale, including the sub-building level. There's even support for selecting a given building, which frames the print layout specifically for that building. For users interested in the roll-up of information, InVision FM has renderers for buildings as well. Here we can look at things like condition index, monthly utility bills, or any other information you're interested in tracking. It also includes a number of spatial analysis tools for uncovering hidden trends in your data. Here we can look at things like capital projects. We can see where they're all occurring, and we can also start to filter them by the type of project, whether it's new construction or replacement. We can also filter by the status of the project, whether it's proposed or in progress, and also adjust the date range, looking historically or into the future. By turning on heat mapping, we can start to understand trends over time. Reporting is a key component of InVision FM and can be accessed from the reporting menu, from any building on the map, query results, and also the tree control. To help enhance and extend your existing systems, InVision FM has connectors out to other platforms, such as Archibus, CityWorks, and Tririga. InVision FM is the complete platform for GIS-based facility management. To learn more, visit our website or contact us today for a live demo.